This swing reaches a height of 5 meters. We're here at the George Forest and we're gonna show you the epic hiking experience to reach the monkey swings. Let's get into it. When hiking to the monkey swings, you'll pass through some amazing spots. The craziest one being one of the old railway line tunnels. But even that doesn't compare to the monkey swing spot itself. There's a wall built entirely out of rocks, a hidden river, and a secret tunnel. But let's be honest, the best part is the swing. Thanks for watching, guys.